Understanding top command in Unix. When I run top C command on my Unix box, I get the output below. How can I analyze the system based on this output? What is the difference between mem and swap? I am new to Unix and tried the man page for this command, but I cannot understand how to analyze this data.
All this information is available in the top man page, which you can read by running man top. Here is a breakdown. The CPU's row shows CPU state percentages based on the interval since the last refresh. Where two labels are shown below, those for more recent kernel versions are shown first. US user, time running on NICE user processes. SCI, system, time running kernel processes. NI, NICE, time running NICE user processes. ID, idle, time spent in the kernel idle handler. WA, IO wait, time waiting for IO completion. HI, time spent servicing hardware interrupts. C, time spent servicing software interrupts. SD, time stolen from this VM by the hypervisor. The mem and swap rows show this portion consists of two lines which may express values in kibibytes, kib, megabytes, mib, or gigabytes, gib, depending on the amount of currently installed physical memory. Physical memory is your RAM, physical pieces of hardware that provide random access memory. Swap is virtual memory, which can be a file or a partition on your hard drive that is essentially used as extra RAM. It is not a separate RAM chip though, it resides on your hard drive. The last section provides information about the currently running processes. It consists of the following columns. PID, process ID. This is a unique number used to identify the process. User, the username of whoever launched the process. PR, priority, the priority of the process. Processes with higher priority will be favored by the kernel and given more CPU time than processes with lower priority. Oddly enough, the lower this value, the higher the actual priority. The highest priority on NICS is -20 and the lowest is 20. NI, NICE value. NICE is a way of setting your process priority. See here for more details. VIRT, virtual memory size, KIB, the total amount of virtual memory used by the process. RES, resident memory size, KIB, the non-swapped physical memory a task has used. SHR, shared memory size, KIB, the amount of shared memory available to a task, not all of which is typically resident. It simply reflects memory that could be potentially shared with other processes. S, process status, the status of the task, which can be one of D equals uninterruptible sleep. R equals running. S equals sleeping. T equals traced or stopped. Z equals zombie. CPU usage, the percentage of your CPU that is being used by the process. By default, top displays this as a percentage of a single CPU. On multi-core systems, you can have percentages that are greater than 100%. For example, if 3 cores are at 60% use, top will show a CPU use of 180%. See here for more information. You can toggle this behavior by pressing Shift-E while top is running to show the overall percentage of available CUS in use. %mem, memory usage, RES, a task's currently used share of available physical memory, RAM. Time plus, CPU time, hundredths, total CPU time the task has used since it started. Command name or command line, to see the full command line that launched the process, start top with the C flag, top C.
Mem refers to your RAM. Swap is a disk partition, or file, the system uses as an extension to your memory. Data that was not recently used can be moved, swapped, to disk to free your RAM. In case the system needs it again, it will swap it back. See this URL for details.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.